Hi everyone, today is a very exciting day. I'm going to apply, how do you say that? I'm going to put BOTOX on my face, but I'm not going to put a lot of cosmetic BOTOX. I'm going to use it for my bruxism and for clenching, and I'm so excited, but it's so nervous at the same time. I am a little bit late to my appointment. I mean, I'm not late, but I'm going to be like right on time, which I don't like to be to like these kind of appointments. I like to be a little bit earlier, so I'm not rushing and I have time to like process what's happening. But anyway, there's a lot of traffic, it's raining, so there's nothing I can do. I'll show you what it's like. I'm so excited. I am 1 minute away from the dermatologist and I'm going to arrive 2 minutes before my appointment, so I'm a little bit cutting it short, so I'm a little bit stressed.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
It's okay, we're here, and I'm going to ask if they let me film, because I don't know if they allow me to record inside. Sometimes they don't, and hopefully they don't mind and I can show you everything. Okay, I'm here.
Your
Goodbye.
destination is...
Okay, I'm done. Unfortunately, I couldn't film anything inside. She felt more comfortable not being filmed. Fair enough. I completely understand, and I want her to feel comfortable. And it was not bad at all. I thought it was going to be a lot more painful, and it wasn't. As you can see, I have nothing. The redness that I have is because of the eyes that I put. And there was a little spot, I think it was in this side, that I bled quite a bit, so she told me that I'm probably going to get a bruise there, but I'm okay with that. I don't mind. These are my eyebrows, because I don't know if I told you, but I'm putting a little bit in my eyebrows to lift the lid a little bit. But of course you can't see the results right now. It takes about 2 weeks, she said, to kick in, and I'm coming back in 2 weeks to show her the results and take the after photos and things like that, and I'll show you in 2 weeks how it looks. But everything was alright. It felt more like a mosquito bite. It was not painful. I thought it was going to be super painful, but it was completely fine. I'm going to have lunch now and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Okay, so it has been around 2 months since I did my BOTOX appointment, and these are my final thoughts. The clenching part of the treatment was okay. I can't say I noticed a major difference, but I do have to say that when I clench, this muscle doesn't grow as much as this one. So I think maybe I don't feel as much of a difference because I need a little bit more in one of the sides, and because that one is still like clenching and doing all of that, then I still feel that pressure. So I think I'm going to reapply a little bit more there. And on my eyes, let me show you, of course I am sick at the moment, so my whole face is swollen, but as you can see, it's very natural. If I didn't say anything, you wouldn't have noticed. And it's just, if you compare it to the first video, when I smile, it doesn't like come down as much as before. Like my lid here would just droop a lot when I smile. I can't do that anymore. I didn't do it. Like, it just doesn't do that anymore. And that has made me a lot more confident. I don't know if confident is the word, because it's not something I felt insecure per se, but like it makes me want to not wear as much makeup anymore. Yeah, I don't know, I really like that one. I am thinking, now that I'm filming this video, that it's kind of like going off now, so I might need to do that again soon. Probably not too soon, because I probably wouldn't do it earlier than, I don't know, at least 4 months. But I'm super happy with that one. I think that's the one that I will keep doing, and I'm going to apply a little bit more in this side. My husband says that my face has I don't know, like
gotten thinner a little bit since I like these muscles since I did the Botox, but I don't see it. But if you can, let me know. So that is my final update, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Of course, I am not a doctor or a nurse or any of that, so I can't advise you on your treatment or anything, but I can tell you about my experience. And yeah, so let me know your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.